In primetime news this evening, climbing. Positive COVID-19 cases increasing. Hospital bed space again a concern. COVID numbers threatening September target for face-to-face learning. And later, father murdered. Pastor stabbed in his sleep. His son in police custody.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, do you believe the government should tighten the coronavirus measures in the wake of an upsurge in cases recently? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.